A few final comments. I always forget a few. I forgot to mention how beautiful my paddles are now that I've cleaned the dust off them. Yeah, so inspired to make a few final comments. I broke out my IKEA brand video photography equipment because, you know what, although this thing's working okay. By the way, my phone's plugged in now, so if you thought my video work was shit before, wait till you see this. Bobby Blob, we'll call him Bob Blob, he's staying. Don't care. But it does work good, so. I only had to take the sub-assembly out because I wanted to clean the wafer switch properly underneath. And it was kind of hard to get to one section. I was so inspired by the dial calibration. I polished my chicken head knob 5 times. Thanks for watching.